Okay, good evening everyone. I'm in front of San Sebastian Church in Manila, also known as San Sebastian Basilica, and is considered a significant heritage site in the Philippines due to its historical, architectural, and cultural importance. Architectural uniqueness. San Sebastian Church is the only all-steel church in the Philippines, making it a unique structure, and it was built in the Gothic Revival style, featuring elements such as pointed arches, ribbed vaults, flying buttresses, and intricate stained glass windows. Its steel frame was an innovation solution to the challenge of constructing a church in a tropical environment prone to termites and earthquakes. The church design is a rare example of Gothic architecture in the Philippines. And when it comes to historical significance, the church was constructed between 1881 and 1891 during the Spanish colonial period, at a time when Catholicism was a major force in the country's cultural and religious life. And when it comes to cultural heritage, the church is an important religious and cultural landmark. It is an active place of worship today and is deeply ingrained in the local community's traditions and practices. That's why the San Sebastian Church is recognized or considered by the UNESCO as one of the heritage sites in the Philippines.